In this video, I'm going to show you how to add background music to your small business website. So whether you are a musician or a music teacher, or you just have maybe a podcast or something like that that you want to engage your audience with, and you want to add background music to your website so they get a feel for what you're offering, I'm going to show you an easy way to do that. Now I'm going to show you that using Mighty Sites. It's a simple, effective website builder for small businesses. It's only $9 a month. I'll put the link down below. And I'm going to show you how to use a tool that integrates to make it the easiest way to add background music to a business website. So first thing you're going to need is ElfSite. Now it has a free plan, and then depending on traffic, it can have a paid plan that's just $5 or $10 a month. And this is what it looks like here. Now all you do is go over to this and click on continue with this template, and I'll put the link to this from the background music widget. So you click continue with this template, add to website for free, and then it's going to generate the widget for you. Okay, now when I go in here, you can see here's the little background music tool. Now you can add tracks simple and easy right over here. So you can upload tracks if you're using SoundCloud, Vimeo, if it's YouTube Music or video link, you just upload those links right, or you upload that background music that you want to play right here. Now, once you do, you'll have the ability to also customize this widget layout and some of the settings for how this works. So once you're done, you'll click on publish and close. Now, all you need to do is click on install. And I'm showing you this on Mighty Sites, but it's going to work no matter which website platform you're using. So you can actually click on these and it'll give you instructions of how to do it for other website platforms. But for Mighty Sites, it's really easy. You just copy the code, you go over here to your website, and I'm going to click on, so I'm pretending I'm building a website for a music teacher. Mighty Sites is just a point and click, really easy editor. Anybody can use it. So I'm just going to scroll down here now for my music teacher business website, click on update section, paste in that code it just gave me, click on save, and then I go back here out of editing mode. And you're going to see now as I scroll, now this background music player shows up right here. So this is actually, let's just see the frogs and birds. If you have maybe a music business, you would have your music playing in the background, or something like piano music, something like that. If you're a musician, you could upload your tracks. And so on your musician or band website, you could have that music playing in the background. But it's really simple and easy to do, and a great way to enhance your website and the experience on your website, especially if your business has something audio related or a podcast or something like that that you really use to promote your business. So that's the easiest way, cheapest way to build a website that has background music to engage your audience and your target customers. Thanks so much for joining me. Hit like and subscribe for other great tips on how to enhance the look and feel of your small business website. And if you're not using Mighty Sites, maybe you can save a little bit of money. I'll put the link down below and put your site up there.